Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on this laptop. To do that, you can click the three icons on your status bar in order to open the control center, and to adjust the sound volume you have to move the bottom slider either to the left to decrease the sound volume or to the right to increase it. Alternatively, you can use function keys on your keyboard. For example, the F3 will increase your sound volume and the F2 will decrease it, and F1 mutes and unmutes your system sound. If these three buttons don't do anything for you, you have to use the two keys combination FN and escape button, and make sure that FN lock is crossed. Make sure that you see this icon on your screen, and then you can use these three icons just like I described their functions previously. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.